Actually, I got really busy with Telugu. I did Bhale Bhale, Sogade, and Sri Sumastu, and yeah, luckily I was getting hits there. And when you're working in one industry, I was just concentrating there, and I had really good opportunities. So I didn't want to miss that. And I was never close to Tamil industry as well. But while doing that, I couldn't concentrate here. So I could only do one thing at once. So I thought right now Telugu, something really amazing comes up, I'll sign for it. So when this movie came, and that time I was not sure. I was like, oh, I'm busy in Telugu, this and that. But my manager was like, at least listen to it once, I was like, okay, fine. And as I listened, heard the story, I really liked it. I was like, okay, I'll do everything, take out my dates, and I will do this film. It was more like that.
Telugu big competition or Tamil big competition? What do you feel?
I don't feel competition anywhere. I don't feel it first thing, because I am going in one flow. I'm glad. I feel very lucky that I have the choice. I can make choices. I get script and I can choose from what I want to do. So I always had the choice, and I always had the options in Tamil and Telugu. So our industries it's Indian industry, and we have so many options in Hindi, Telugu, Tamil, Malayalam. So I never felt the competition, and I think everyone has their own qualities.
Do you have any friends like heroines?
Yeah, I have. Rashi is a friend, and Heba, I just worked with her in one film. Heba is a friend. Rakul is a friend. Yeah, there are a lot of Sandeep is a friend. Sirish is a friend. Varun is a friend. Nani is a friend. So yeah.
Sandeep only recommended for this role.
Yeah, no one recommends anyone because we were supposed to work before also, and I don't think I need recommendations right now. I worked before also with him. No, sorry, never worked with him, but we were supposed to, but it never materialized. And sometime I never liked the script or something, or he didn't like the script or whatever it was. So I don't know. It's strange that we are working Telugu, actors are working in Tamil together. So I'm happy that I got to work with him. He's a good actor.
The Marvin film you are doing, you are done in the psychiatrist role. So what you learned?
I'm not a psychiatrist. I'm a psychiatrist. Yeah.
So what is the homework you done before?
Normally also I have a little.
Say something about the Adira role.
Adire. Yeah. So this character Adire, she's a psychiatrist, and for this character, the homework I did was, anyways, I love watching crime series and all that. My dad is a lawyer, so yeah, and I have friends who are into this field, and who are studying this thing, psychology. So I was like, and I have this thing of, normally also I think girls normally have, you start judging people, okay, he'll be like this, he'll be like that. So when I got this offer, luckily my crime stories and everything really helped me out, and then C.V. Kumar sir was there as director to help me out, and you had to, first day is always very complicated to understand the character, and once you understand first day, okay, this is how my character is going to be, and then everything comes in a flow, then it's not a problem.
Okay, do you have any ideas in future in regular movie Tamil or what?
I have no plans as such. I never had plans for Telugu or Tamil. For me, if anything comes nice comes, I will take it. Otherwise, no. There's no plans as such. Thank you.